I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. 2 minutes of Reiki done every single day has a greater cumulative benefit on your health and well-being than one 60-minute session done once a month. Today, I'm gonna let you know how you can bring these 2 minutes of Reiki into your day every single day, regardless of if you've been trained in Reiki or not. If we haven't met before, my name's Molly Donlin. I'm a crystal healer, a trauma-informed Reiki master teacher, and a yoga and meditation guide. And I am all about demystifying these practices so that you can sense and shift energy to heal on your own terms. If that sounds like what you want to do today, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. First of all, what is Reiki? In a really simple, boiled down definition, Reiki as a noun is the universal energy that is within and around each and every one of us. It is flowing through you at every moment of every day. Reiki as a verb is the practice of channeling this energy for the purpose of healing. And because Reiki is a universal energy, you already have the power to channel it within you. In fact, if we look to the history of Reiki, it's believed that at one point we all were channeling Reiki and open to this energy all day, every day. And at some point, along the lines, we got closed off to it. In the traditional Reiki practice, when you go through a training with a Reiki master, you receive what's called an attunement, which is essentially turning the radio dial, that is your energetic frequency, to the right station so that you can sense and shift this Reiki energy a lot easier. However, because Reiki energy is already flowing through you, whether or not you've received an attunement, you can still play around with this energy regardless of if you've been Reiki trained or not. Now, that's not to say I am not giving you the green light to go out and give Reiki sessions before getting a training and attunement, because that would be a little unethical. But you can still sense and shift this Reiki energy and channel it for your own healing regardless of if you've been attuned. The attunement and the training simply give you more tools to sense this energy stronger, which allows you to channel more of it, which allows you to heal things faster and more efficiently. Now, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to sense Reiki energy and allow it to flow into a glass of water. So go ahead and grab one of those. You can use this same practice on literally anything. You can use it on your plants, on your crystals, on yourself, on your food, on your printers, whatever you need to put Reiki on. Now, as we move into this practice session, I'm going to encourage you to lean into your curiosity. Many of us have a healthy dose of skepticism when we first come to the Reiki practice. And I like to say you have two paths. You can take the path of curiosity or you can take the path of judgment. And skepticism is where these two paths split. If you lean into curiosity, you have the opportunity to explore and play and learn new things that may help you and serve you in your life. If you lean into the path of judgment, you're just going to stay as you are. So the choice is yours. I would encourage you to lean into that curious side and just have fun with it. Go ahead and grab your water. Place it between your hands and place both feet on the floor. Eyes can close or the gaze can rest between your hands, whatever makes more sense for you. And start to lean into the support beneath you. So feeling your feet press against the floor, your hips settling into the chair, the shoulders soft. Take a deep breath in, feel the air fill up your lungs. And a slow breath out through the mouth. Now you can sense or you can visualize a cloud above your head. Maybe it's a fluffy cloud like the one you might see outside, or maybe it's just like a cloud of light. You can sense the air above your head. And simply invite this cloud to come into the crown of your head. You might see this like a light filling the crown, filling the head, between the ears. And feel that light flow through the neck, down into the heart space. Infusing that light with the light of your own heart. And then allowing this light to flow down the arms, into the hands, encouraging that light to flow out of the hands into the water between them. Feeling that light starting to infuse the molecules of the water in the glass. As if you were shining a light through the bottom of the cup. Notice the texture of the glass between your palms. Can you feel the temperature of the water within the glass? All the while allowing this light to flow through the crown to the heart, out through the arms to the hands, and allowing it to flow between the palms. As you continue to allow this energy to flow, invite into your mind an intention you'd like to set for your day. Try to state it in the positive tense, like it's already happening. So if you want to feel peace, you could state it like, I am peaceful. If you want success in your day, I am successful. I am relaxed. I am happy. I am safe. Whatever that intention is, go ahead and hear it in your mind. Hear it 3 times. You could say it out loud if you want to, or just let it echo between your ears and let that intention ride the waves of that light into the heart. Feeling your intention fully in the heart, like it's already happening. And then allowing that light to carry your intention down the arms, to the hands, into your water. Feeling that light glowing between the palms, the water absorbing your intention. Take a deep breath in and a full breath out. If you want to, you could take a sip of the water. Notice how it tastes, how it feels. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes. If you are interested in bringing Reiki into your daily life, I recommend using this meditation for everything. You can use it on your plants, on your crystals, on your water, on your food, your cell phone, whatever you want to infuse with Reiki energy and intention. It is going to go so far in helping you live a happier, healthier life. Click the link in the caption below to download my free 30 ways to use Reiki everyday guide. These are practical, tangible, realistic ways you can bring Reiki energy into your every single day. With just 2 minutes a day, I swear you will feel the benefits by the end of those 30 days. And if you're interested in going through a Reiki training and receiving a Reiki attunement so that you can feel and sense this energy stronger and more effectively, I'll leave a list of my upcoming trainings below so you can go and check those out. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will see you soon. Bye! And today I'm gonna let you know how... shut the up! Who needs to take her own advice today?